All right, it's time to jump on the Blazer. Brandon, what do we have here? What year is this thing?
84 K5 Blazer.
84 K5. And we bought this from my neighbor. How many years ago? That's probably been 3 or 4 years ago.
Yeah, 3 or 4.
So it's been
At
sitting
least.
here for a while, and we're about to rip the body off the chassis, put new axles, wheels, and tires on it, go through it, and get it ready for his son, Austin, who's turning 16 in 4 months.
Yeah.
Good
A
job.
little bit of a time crunch.
Good job waiting until the last second, Dad.
Yeah. Having to help my buddy out a lot. It's been a lot of trips to Mississippi. Could have been working on this. Then trips to Texas. Could have been working on this.
Some of those were for your truck.
Yeah. Yeah, you act like this is all for me. All right, let's hook it up, get it over here on the concrete pad, and figure out a way to get the body off because the 2-post lift is tied up at the moment, and it's going to be a 3-hour ordeal to untangle it. So let's get it on the pad and figure out a way to get the body off so you can start pressure washing the chassis.
Yep.
Some of you guys may recognize our little hoist setup here that was used on Roadkill for the Buick episode. That thing's been around for a while. They're going to throw it away. So I brought it home.
Hang on. Get it up anymore? Okay, right at the windshield. Okay. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. I fell on the sidewalk.
Good.
Yeah. To the back of it?
I'm here to the front edge. I'm gonna just tack it.
Okay.
You've been busy, dude. So since you guys last seen this, Brennan tore it all apart. He's painted the chassis, which you can't really tell right now, but this thing looks incredible. He used the paint from Sweet Patina, their new chassis paint.
Yeah.
Brushed it on there. It looks powder coated. It's really nice. He cleaned the leaf springs up, the axles. He swapped out the axles because you bought these pretty much ready to go, right?
Yeah.
So they had already been gone through. They were fresh, and it come with these wheels and tires. So you took out all the old junk, painted these up. We just slid them up under there and bolted them up. So now it's time to what? Put the fuel tank in, motor, transmission, transfer case, all that good stuff?
Yeah. Brake lines, fuel lines.
Yeah.
Get it all ready to set the body back on.
Dude, this looks killer.
Taking the old mud truck out of it.
This is coming off. Somebody actually welded this on. So we got to cut it off. But we're just using it right now just to move it so we don't scratch up the paint on the new chassis. So next time you see this, we're going to have an engine, transmission, transfer case, fuel lines, brake lines, fuel tank, all that good stuff. We'll make a video about putting all that stuff in there and exhaust. Yeah. We'll go ahead and make it pretty much get it running and then just drop the body right back on it. Yeah. So sweet. All right. Thanks for watching. You did good, Brennan.
Thanks.
It was a hell of a project.
It is.
It's been sitting.
Things we do for our kids.
Been sitting in the woods for how many years?
Yeah.
Bringing it back to life.